Hey guys, what's up? It's Lisa. Today we are going to be filming a get ready with me playlist type video. So before we get into the video, I just want to give attention to what's going on in the world right now. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know what's going on with the Black Lives Matter movement, George Floyd. Although my platform is small, I still feel it's important to speak on these issues because they directly affect me. I'm very passionate about it. I just wanted to give you guys some links to petitions you guys can sign in the description down below. I just felt like I couldn't ignore this. It's almost impossible to, so I'm not going to. But anyways, back into the video. I'm just gonna be doing my makeup while I listen to some of my favorite throwback songs. I feel like when people do playlist videos, they always talk about the 2000s or the 90s, but we always forget that middle school era. I promise this will spark the nostalgia in you. So let's get started. Here's my little speaker. And this isn't really like a tutorial. Y'all have seen me do my makeup 107 times.
I'll roll up, I'll roll up, I'll roll up. As long as you keep it 100, I'ma spin this chain. Whenever you need me, whenever you want me.
Honestly, I might get copyrighted, but whatever. Drake was in his bag when he was writing Forever. This era Drake period is untouchable. Like, seriously.
If I was at the club, you know I balled. Chemo.
Hey boy, I really wanna see.
Oh my god, we have been filming for 10 minutes. What have I done? Literally nothing.
Come with me.
Up, here we go.
Nobody knows, no man.
Just say the word and we out of here.
Next level,
Super Mario. Now this right here.
I wanna be a billionaire, so fucking bad. By me shining lights. Yo, when I'm a billionaire.
First class, up in the sky, still round, no matter how many records I sell after airplanes.
Haley Williams. That's it. That's all I gotta say. If you know, you know. Okay?
All the party and the smashing and crashing. And all the glitz and the glam and the fashion. Before I got paid. Before whatever mattered.
I'm actually corny for listening to this.
I mean, shit, I'm only 17 and none of the perfect couples only in a train. I just didn't know what to do. But when I become a star, we'll be living so long.
Pray for patience, but they make me wanna melt their face away.
I'm begging you to go. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. Cause I know I don't understand. Right now, I'ma help you build up your account. I can do for you what Martin did for the people.
I'm in the collard green, 6 cornbread in the guts. Assalamu alaikum, no oink for me. And I never let
Play games, but this is not bingo. Monopoly, I'm past go.
This is artwork. I love this song.
Something wrong, I'm almost there. I'm headed up the stairs.
Doing my own thing. Find your friends that call when you with them. I tell you I love you, but when you home, I never get back.
Time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. I love this song.
Behind that, we should let it go. So you wanna be a TV episode?
The episode will be another one.
I've been around and I've never seen another one.
This is good vibes. Okay.
This is D1. Word. So what, we get drunk. I keep it rolled up, sagging my pants, not caring what I show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it
Turn my sound up and mount up and do my thing.
Yeah. First round, sexy, can I hit it from the front?
What up, little mama? It's your boy, Youngin.
Okay. Alright. Pop bottles on that. Okay, my lash is lifting. Sweetie. I wouldn't like that.
Want you to get it. I need y'all to roll. Now what the hell are you waiting for?
I'm feeling this eye look now. I have no blush, so we about to be innovative. We're gonna use one of these. This is about to look stupid. I don't want to do it. I'm scared. I told you this playlist is all over the place. I'm so sorry.
You got a roommate. Call me me when it's going there. As soon as I make it home, and she a patient in my waiting room.
Okay guys, so that's it for the video. This is the completed makeup look. I think I kind of snapped, like just a little bit. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.